म्हणजे खास करून एक गोंयकार एक सादो मनीस म्हूण येयला जे आज गोंयांत एक भिरांत येयलो आहा हे बीजेपीन एंड आय एम कमिंग टू द रियलिटी रायट फ्रॉम 2019 when they came. What was the whole thing? What was the master plan of the BJP? Now, Bhumiputra bill is not a surprise. At least to me, it's not a surprise. It is expected. It is on the lines of action what they want to do for Goa. I am saying that it is the last nail in the coffin of Goans. I am making it very clear. The disposition of facts, I will talk later, but I will come to a summary of the whole issue. I will tell you the events, how systematically they have done. Their plan is to replace Goans and bring Bhumiputras, what they have defined in the Act. SEZ started, IT started, agitation started. Soon after the BJP came in, all master plan of theirs. What happened? Industries didn't come, nothing did come. Opposed everything, IT parks were opposed. Goa was supposed to be the highest literacy state in the, was second highest literacy state in India. What happened? The brain drain that happened, that took place after the IT parks, opposition of the IT parks, medical colleges, pharmacies, all literate youth had to go abroad, had to go out of state to study. And in this process, all the students, the education, the ancillary units like housing, balance between education and industry, what did the BJP do? Nothing. An education hub could have been done in Goa. They didn't do anything. They are not repenting also for what they have not done for so many years of being in power in Goa. They have not done. They are still fooling the Goans and we are getting carried away. The first migration took place because of infrastructure, because colleges were not there. The Goan talent went to study out of state, like Kerala, like Andhra, Karnataka, Maharashtra, people went out of state. They studied. Both major communities, the Catholics as well as the Hindus, both of them migrated. They studied, they went and studied there. Now they have become citizens there. They have come to a state where they have already, their children, everybody is studying there, everybody is already there and they are settled. They have come to a state where they have said goodbye to Goa. In the last 20 years, BJP has been instrumental. What about the industry? All major industries, in fact, Cipla, Merck, Dr. Reddy's, all these factories. Siemens came when the Congress was there. It's all 20 years back. What about any new factory? Any new factories come in the state of Goa when the BJP has come? You try to finalize. If I try to visualize and find out, I can't see any. One of the major achievements was the closure of mining. What they did to the mining? They buried the Goans in the pits of the mining too. They take credit of closing the mines. It is a known fact. With the industry, there was only one player outsider, Sezago. The rest were all Goans. Ancillary units were there. Tea restaurants, gadas, shops, small business establishments. What about other things? Spare parts, vehicles, earth-moving machinery, trucks, buses, bikes, everything finally failed. All the businesses got closed down. Everybody was unemployed. There was a big gap in the middle class people. Everybody, all this completely dwindled down. And what happened? The end result was people had to go to greener pastures in England, Europe. They had to go to other places. First the Catholics, and then our Hindu brethren also followed suit. Today the villages, the real Bhumiputras, either their houses are closed or they are in ruins. Or the new Bhumiputra that has been defined in the Bhumiputra Adhikari Act 2021, those people have taken over these houses. A large number of Goans populated to England, Switzerland, France, Germany for their daily bread. They had no other options. Don't think they gave their citizenship for the love of the other country. No. They gave it with great difficulty, with great remorse, the citizenship, because it was their survival. They knew what the government was going to have, what was going to happen, and the views of the government and what the government was planning for Goa. The Goans was sidelined by the BJP and their plan was to replenish rebellish the Goans by the Bhumiputras as defined in the Bhumiputra Act. It shows the master plan of what has happened. Incomes, jobs were the target. Some of them in North Goa lost their, they had to give up their properties. The hard-earned properties which the ancestors had kept for them, they had to sell it. Now what has happened to North Goa? It has become a mini BJP. How it has become a mini BJP, you will ask. It is very clear. Find out how many Vasundhara Rajes have land. How many Amit Shah's sons have land there. Find out how many Meenakshi Lekhi's land, Meenakshi Lekhi owns land there. Find out how many Zavadekars own land there. Find out which chief ministers of which states own land, which ministers from which state own land. Find out which Goa chief ministers, Goa ministers, Goa MLAs own land. Find out. In the registration offices, you can't find out. There is no smoke without fire. The BJP has been doing this. Right through, their plan was right from the beginning, which I have previously said it also, and today it is endorsed. There is a foolproof plan in action and you can visibly see it. What about the tourism industry? The tourism industry, nothing but casinos, drugs, gambling, prostitution, all nefarious activities, making Goa a sin city state of Goa. I am fortunate and proud to announce, to tell you that Goan girls, because of their culture, because of the family upbringing, because of the Goenka bond, they have been saved. Otherwise, what would have been the state? Go to see now, even the prostitutes that are there are going to be Bhumiputras. This is the state of affairs. What finally it has boiled down by the BJP to Goans and the Goa, what the ancestors of ours thought of. The evils of tourism, I don't want to spell it more. Everybody knows what is the spelling, what is the fallout of the industry, what has been done. If you go to see the 5 stars, few owners are left. Who is left? Mr. Avadut Timlo, Mr. Dattaraj Salgaonkar, Mr. Victor Albuquerque, few fellows are left. They are the few Goans that are there. Rest, Bhumiputras. The evil design of the plan of the BJP can be made out. And that too, these 5-star hotels of Mr. Timla, Mr. Dattaraj and Victor has come during the Congress regime. Show me one hotel that has come of the Goans. What about the mid-cap hotels? The mid-cap hotels, what has happened? They are in shambles. Who are employed there and who are the owners and who are running these mid-cap hotels? Only Bhumiputras.